All right, guys, here we are. We are on a mission tonight, and what's the mission, Nick?
I don't know. Drive around, spread holiday cheer, and just
Holiday cheer. That's the mission. We're on a mission from Santa.
Yup.
Okay.
Will the cops care, do you think?
I don't know. That's a really good
Yeah.
question. That's a really good question.
I
It
don't know.
doesn't look
it's
illegal
kinda
to me.
illegal. It's got the underglow too.
It's a little sketchy. Hey, someone put a sign out for me. Sweet.
Hey man, who you shooting for?
For you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
That's badass. That's awesome. I appreciate that so much. It's so cool.
Hey, thanks, Santa. That's quite an endorsement.
No, I know. Is that a Tesla too?
Yeah.
Nice.
On top of it all, it's a Tesla.
Pretty awesome. It's pretty cool.
That's so dope.
That is so crazy. Insane. That's insane. Oh my goodness.
Thanks, man.
I've ever seen.
Hey, thanks, man.
All right.
That is so cool ever. That's awesome. Did you get both of them? Yeah. Oh yeah. That's amazing. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at these cars. I love it. Fire it up. I love it.
The cops don't care.
Hi.
Oh, yeah, click.
Sweet.
Wait, do you mind? Take it in front of it. Okay. You look so good. Okay, ready? What did you put on this? Just like regular lights? No way, this is sick. I'm like actually obsessed. M Mark 300 on YouTube. All my fans, check it out. We're gonna get our fans to check it out. Of course.
Pose! The cops don't care.
Wow. I never saw you like that. I gotta take a picture.
I love this.
I want to take a picture.
the very best with your channel.
Thank you
Right.
very much.
Take care. Merry Christmas. Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Hey everyone, so I'm ending the night pretty much where we started, and I gotta say tonight was crazy, a little cold, a lot of fun, met a ton of just crazy kind of drunk and, you know, sober people too. There's a lot of good sober people here, but people with other channels, met a lot of police, didn't spend a lot of time with them. I mean, I think my car is legal. Maybe. I don't know. If it isn't, they don't care. Why? Christmas. It's Christmas time. Spread a lot of Christmas cheer tonight. People had a lot of fun. Everybody who saw this car was smiling. Tons of people just having a laugh. I mean, I've got, if I don't have video, I've got some audio. I'm not even sure I can put it all on YouTube. It was that. Just a little profane, just a little bit. This car gets more attention than, if you've seen any of my other videos, this car is now officially a supercar. All right, that's all there is to it. The only other car that got as much attention of mine is my neighbor's car, the blue one, which looks also really just crazy fantastic. Stay tuned. I'm going to have some more videos. I will be out again, most likely next weekend. I'm going to be out around, who knows, I might hit your town. Who knows? I'm on a tour right now. So that's it, guys. So please like and subscribe. I had a lot of fun making this, and I'm going to be putting out some more videos.